I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create Integration. Search and select a Trigger CoBlocks form. Now, click on the Fetch button, then navigate to the CoBlocks form and fill it out to retrieve the data. After fetching the form, you need a unique key to define it. However, the CoBlock form doesn't provide the unique key. That's why I added a hidden field and gave its value as a unique key. Now fill out the form. Return to the integration site to view the successfully fetched data. Now check all the fields under the object. Then choose the hidden field as a unique key. Set action. Search and select Gravitec. Give here your site URL. Also, give here the app key and app secret key. So go to the Gravitec dashboard. Setting. REST API. Now copy the app key and app secret, then paste it on the integration site. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose an action. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in action and conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Go to your form. Submit it. Go to the Gravitec site and navigate to the campaign history. Here, the notification data came into the campaign history successfully. Also, the browser notification showed me that I had successfully. Thanks for watching.